good with y'all boys, man? It's early in the morning. I guess I'm finna go do some shit to my car. If you see my Instagram story, you already know what I'm talking about. I'm finna get them lights done today. You know what I'm saying? Damn, what else I'm trying to say? Yeah, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, CHVSEE. Yeah, bro, we going up all 2021, bro. But yeah, let's get this cold start right. Damn, my camera's shaking a lot, but it's cause I got this thing on my windshield, and I don't got the one to where it sits up on my dash. I only got the one that sits up on my windshield. But today, we are going to Send Life Customs. I have a 9 a.m. appointment. Yeah, that's pretty early, but early is best for me. So, we're gonna take it to Send Life Customs. He gonna do his little magic. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna see y'all when I actually get there. Yeah, man, we done pulled up. It's good, bro. Oh. Damn, where the fuck my keys at? Bro, I had to pull up one time, you know what I'm saying? That shit, I go follow him, bro. You know what I'm saying? He get my shit right. See my cousin, you see it. But shit, I'm gonna let y'all know when I get back to this hoe. Alright, so I dropped the car off, right? And since I live so close to the dude, my dumb ass called the Uber instead of just let him take me to the crib. So shit, he finna take me to the crib, and I'm finna see what this motherfucker, what his shit working with the code start. Wait till he come back outside. But I ain't gonna lie, this hoe is kinda loud. So he got the tail light 10. You know what I'm saying? Oh, on my shit, I'm getting this taken off. And I'm getting nasty taken off. I would've got the tail light 10, but he said he don't got the tail light 10. But yeah, man. This nigga shit kinda loud too. Got the door handles all blacked out. Oh, he got the 10 on the side markers too. Yeah. Hit that cold start real quick.
Just mid muffler delete.
Both mufflers just the mid muffler.
Just the mid.
Damn, my shit don't sound like that.
Just mid. I see you in that SRT light.
Yeah.
Me too. I stick mine on.
Damn, why you do that?
I'm busy, gotta come first, bro.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Put SRT life on top of that.
I gotta wait till I get another one. I just took it off maybe a month ago. Cause I just went full time on my business.
Hey, but I see you doing good though.
Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna go and check out a property today.
Alright, so y'all, I just got off work. Just got back to the crib. Bro just called me, told me my car was ready. So shit, now I'm finna be on the way there. Go pick it up. He put it on Instagram Live earlier. I kinda saw a little sneak peek of it. I know my shit look loud, but I haven't seen the full effect yet. So when we get there, I'm gonna show y'all what the fuck I'm working with, bro. I know my shit gonna be live than a bitch, oh God, bro. See y'all when I get there, bro. Okay, Mom, you ready? My car right there sitting in the garage.
You know who this person is?
Yeah, Mom, yes. Found him on Instagram. So I found him on Instagram. don't know where to park.
Why don't you just park across the driveway? I'm getting ready to leave out. Or you'll back into it. Or maybe park across this driveway or something.
Yeah, bro, we done pulled up. And I see what this shit working with. It's good, bro. Appreciate it.
You ready for it?
Yes, sir. Mom, you like it? You like it?
I do.
Fuck with the demons are tough, bro.
Yes, sir. I had to make them work too. I had to make them work in there.
I see, appreciate it. Hold on, let me